Star VTOL-8000 hybrid power UAV is designed for short-range cargo transport, fire rescue and tactical reconnaissance. The prototype was powered by two 170 petrol engines with power redundancy layout. If one engine stops in the air, it can be upgraded to Q or S183 EFI engine, Limbach 220 EFI, or heavy fuel engines to achieve extreme performance and endurance. Its unique aerodynamic design with lift-drag ratio is 14:2. The system payload can be switchable by industrial pod, SAR or maritime radar. System integration can be configured by Team Austars.